Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is delicious tasty masala macaroni pasta. Take a saucepan and keep on gas stove, add water as per required for boiling. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. When water gets boiled, put 400 grams macaroni. Now add salt, 1 teaspoon. Cooking oil, 2 teaspoon. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes in medium flame. For preparing black sauce, take a bowl, add tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 1 teaspoon. Vinegar, 1 teaspoon. All ingredients mix well and black sauce is ready. Take a pan and add cooking oil, 3 teaspoon. Chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon. Green peas, 1 cup, and mix well. Add grated carrot, 1 cup, and cook for a minute. Capsicum, a half cup, green beans, 1 cup, sort all veggies together. Now add tomato puree, 1 bowl. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 2 teaspoon, and mix. Roasted coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes in low flame till tomato moisture dry, cooked well. Now you can check if the macaroni is boiled by tasting a piece. Drain the cooked macaroni and keep aside. Now add black sauce, mix well, cook the mixture until you see the oil separating. Put boiled macaroni in it, mix everything together, ensuring that the macaroni is well coated with mixture. Let me know from which city you are watching our video in comments below. I will thanks to everyone. Finally add chaat masala, 1 teaspoon, and mix. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Chopped spring onion. Masala macaroni is ready to serve half with friends and family. Take out in a plate. Decorate with spring onion and tomato ketchup. It looks very delicious and tasty. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye, see you again.